Haïti besoin reconstruction. Ou kon sa niki?
Les besoins construction tout.
Hard Hats, c'est une organisation qui travaille dans pile pays et qui justement très bien placée Kounia pour gens situation pays noyé. C'est un bel événement que tu as fait là récemment, le 22. Nous avons des personnalités haïtiennes qui ont fait le déplacement. Notre consul, M. Ralph Latortue, en nous garder.
The Pan American Development Foundation is the foundation arm of the Organization of American States. It's a 100-year-old organization based in Washington, D.C., and we are a foundation that's been supporting 36 countries in Latin America and the Caribbean. Our focus tonight is our Hard Hats for Haiti campaign, which is focusing on our 3 R's rebuilding effort in Haiti. 3 R's focusing on restoring livelihoods, namely jobs, repairing homes, and revitalizing communities.
We also want to encourage foreign and local potential investors to visit Haiti and see the opportunities that exist, particularly those entrepreneurs from the Haitian diaspora interested in small and medium enterprise for whom PADF has special program of assistance.
Supporting Hard Hats for Haiti will enable the Miami community to invest in a program which empowers Haitians to play an active role in their own development and revitalization of their communities. Thank you.
You all know the statistics behind the earthquake in Haiti. As the mayor said, when the earth shook in Port-au-Prince, it shook everywhere. The disaster in Port-au-Prince was a personal disaster for myself, for PADF, and for many of you here. PADF had been in the country already for 30 years. I had lived there for 6 years. Like many of you, I lost friends on that day. It can be frustrating, feeling that we haven't gotten where we want to be. But remember, we've been through a lot. We're bringing people together. We're working closely with the mayor, with the national government, with the Reconstruction Commission, and most importantly, with the local population, to trace out how they want their neighborhood rebuilt. We're teaming with our private sector partners. We want to help businesses in Haiti create 14,000 jobs over the next 3 years, sustainable jobs. This isn't from the micro enterprises, this is from the bigger ones. Companies with at least 10 employees, up to $1 million in revenues a year. We want to provide the business development services they need, and we're going to have a business plan competition. What we're hoping, you're going to say, hey, that's a business I'd put my money in. That's a good idea. That's going to make money. I'm willing to invest in this, and we'll help you go down. We'll help make these partnerships so you can invest, because we all know that the future depends on the private sector. It depends on these investments.
The reason we're launching the Hard Hats for Haiti campaign is because we've had a wonderful opportunity with institutions like the Clinton Bush Haiti Fund, the USAID, the World Bank, the American Red Cross, who've made a commitment of over $50 million for the next 3 years. The Hard Hats for Haiti campaign is for us to raise $1 million each year to access that 50. And that money is going to be put into this program. And this program will not only be in Delmar 32, but in neighborhood by neighborhood by neighborhood. The Hard Hats for Haiti campaign is a call to action. It's a call to action to corporate and private individuals like yourselves.
Look at the program materials tonight for the Hard Hats program. Look at how really easy it can be for you to create competitive environments within your own departments of your own corporations. Maybe some competition between departments, different executives, and see which groups can come up with more homes that could be rebuilt. And we will see at the end of those 3 years the tremendous impact that we will have made in not just recovery, but literally bringing back to life and giving a view to a group of people right now that have been downtrodden for years and then hit with the earthquake, a view that things can be better and that life at the end of that tunnel right now will be better because of the involvement of individuals from small to very large levels. So again, thank you very much for joining us this evening, and we really reach out to you now and ask for your support for the program, and look forward to coming back a year from now and being able to talk about how much has been accomplished and how much more we can do in the following years. Thank you.
In the beginning, all we cared about was getting people food and shelter, just helping people get through the day. Now, a year and a half later, we're in the middle of trying to rebuild Port-au-Prince. It's not something done quickly. It's something that's going to take many weeks and even years.
$2,000 sends a family of 6 to a revitalized community, to a safe home, and provides them with a livelihood. So we're encouraging everyone to go to www.hardhatsforhaiti.org to form a team or join a team and support the Hard Hats for Haiti campaign.